guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk today about the brand new Louis Vuitton, not brand new, but kind of brand new, Multipass. So I just got this bag 3 weeks ago and I've been using it pretty much every day, and I wanted to go ahead and come in and do a review of the bag and let you all know what I think, because there's one big thing that I didn't think I needed, but now I wish I had it. So let's get into it. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I post things about luxury, being a mommy. I like slot machines, basically living life in SoCal. So if you like that, please consider subscribing. So I'm going to get into the Multipass and why I decided to get that. So I have been eyeing it. I saw it on the louisvuitton.com website and I thought that's a great bag. You know, very spacious, and I like the price point. It's $2,800, and yeah, just what it comes with this extra strap here. Wait, now I'm confused. What's this for? Oh, it's a strap extender. I thought there was another strap. Hold on a second. I guess that's it. So it's another strap extender. I did not know that. So it comes with this little braided strap, and then this long strap that's adjustable with all these little holes. And I guess if you're tall, you just add this to this and make it even longer, which I thought it was another strap, but that's good to know because I had no idea. So this one in particular is made out of canvas. And I did see that they're releasing it in the Multipass in smaller sizes and different types of leather, which I wish I held out on. I didn't know that they were going to do that, but this is still a good bag. I don't have enough monograms. I just have the Speedy in the canvas monogram, so I decided why not get this one. So yeah, so the big thing that I noticed after getting the bag, I wasn't sure if I should have returned it, was that there is no pocket. Number one, with zipper. That would have been a great thing to have, and I didn't realize not having one was so important, you know, was going to be kind of a weird thing, which it is kind of a weird thing that there's no pocket. So it's just one big hole, and it's made out of linen. So if I look back, like, I like my carry-all, which is a suede interior, a suede fabric type of interior. Hold on, who is that? I hear a dog. Oh, come here. It's Taco. It's Taco. You want to hang out with me? Taco. Oh. All right, you can come hang out with me. But yeah, so I do like the other sizes that they have. I would like to see the mini in person, but I don't think I would purchase it again. So I'll show the interior of the bag right now. Okay, so this is the inside wallet going in first. Next, my pouch where I keep all my eye drops, key holder, pouch. This is where I put my camera stuff. Eye drops. Oops. Lip gloss. Hand sanitizer. Scrunchie. A beauty pouch just to show that I can put a ton of crap in here. And we close it. And that's all you can fit. Yeah, so that's my quick review of the Multipass. Do I recommend it? We're gonna be very honest. No! I think you could do. I think there's better Louis Vuitton bags out there. I think the pocket was such a missing thing, but I mean, I do like the size. I've been using it every day. I can, you know, it's canvas. You don't have to be very, you know, careful with it, but a pocket would have seriously been nice, like a zippered pocket. Let me find Where's my, but I guess the Speedy, but the Speedy is like, you know, it's a little bag, but this is just such a big bag that it's missing something, like a little pouch or something would have been great. And I thought I could live without it, but it is what it is. So that was my quick review. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye.